What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do another update video on the Traxxas Mini Max 4-wheel drive truck. Now it will be used again with them, you can see, and this has been used almost like crazy because you see how much it's better. This machine's been used almost like a couple times already, you can see, because I know the body kept popping off twice now already because you see how much it's better this thing's actually used. It's actually looks pretty not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much it's better this machine. And pretty much what you expected this machine, you can see the mower is very hot on you can see, because you see how much it's expected this thing is actually, which it's definitely not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much it's better this machine's been used almost a couple times, because I'm surprised that this thing's still holding up completely, you can see, because most of the time it always gives up every time, you can see, because you know how expected this machine is actually, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. And I know since the fact how much it's better on this machine is actually, which is definitely looks pretty nice what you expected this machine is actually, which is definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. It is covered in glass in my opinion, but you see how much better this machine's been used almost like quite a bit, because even though this machine's been used almost like a couple times already, which is definitely how much it's better this thing is actually, because I mean the still original parts you can see instead of that bolt was new since the day because the original bolt, I don't know, somehow this came out, you see, because you see how much it's better this thing is actually, which is definitely how much it's better this machine is actually, which is definitely looks pretty much what you expected this machine is actually, just definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So you see how much it's better this thing is get used almost like a couple of times already, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So it will get used again if they this weekend again, and you know how to expected this machine's been used almost like a couple of times already, which is definitely looks very nice looking machine in my opinion. This thing will get used again.